So this I'm gonna talk about my PA. Yeah, basically I was went to the 5 minutes, just making sure that the buyers still here to uh, take it down. Unfortunately, I was thinking to able to do a sell once it come up, but I just waited to went back up. Waited to went back up, but unfortunately is that there's a buyer from there, and then they broke out. And the reason why I was thinking I was, hey, I'm gonna buy it, sell it down, but there is a so big of a time frame that I can't even see if I wanna sell this or not. But unfortunately, it was taken over by uh taken over by because the market was opening, um then broke down eventually, and and went back up and broke back up from there. And actually, my ours is not supposed to be. Let me see. Yeah, fortunately, I really just took it from there. Um, I don't remember where I'm at. So I took it from here and then react from this area and went back up from there. And I just let it run. How many hours was this? Yeah, I let it run for 2 hours, and um, the one thing that I've really done is good is just let it run for 1 or 2 hours. If my running is too long for like a couple 2 hours, then I'll just get out of the trade and from there. And I just got out of the trade just not confidently because my target was I'll try once I took the trade. I say where is my target? So was my target from? So let's see, 1 hour. Because they broke to this 1 hour, so eventually there's had to be a discount to go back up. And I draw a line from the daily. The reason I draw a line. Yeah, eventually I draw a line from the daily. Say, oh, could be this possible to be that much because they didn't really um, reject as the beginning that I started from there, and it, they play well. But I was really aware that oh, I'm in this spot of dangers. I'm also this is all landmines that I'm also dangerous from it. So yeah, so it broke out from this area. Um, was this one a good trade to take? I was a little bit more confident of that because uh, I say to myself that because it's all basic by the monthly, and it is by monthly. Yeah, it is based by monthly. Based on monthly, so weekly and daily. I say to myself, if this thing broke out from here a little bit, so the S is over. So I draw this area. It is a S area. So right now they're in the point of this hitting to the S for a discount. Unfortunately for this one that I'm talking about, my PA is yeah, I just took out from there because it was 2 hours and it was perfect for me not focusing on all this area. So I'm gonna just head to work and very happy with this trade. But what can I do better? Uh, I think it's better that I will get a better quality trade unless they give me a better quality trade, which is mean like I still in the training mode. So if the S area from this area, say I took on the daily and then put my stop loss from here, it won't make well I have this whole area to play out. And I feel like let's see, buyer seller in the weekly, this S area from this area broke out. Yeah, I was saying that if the weekly were breaking out from here, yeah, definitely I'm going to take some trade from here, from going to buy from the test area. So from test area, from this area, that I would have done really better from here. But unfortunately, right now this look like it's more risky than I thought. Going to the test area from here, and yeah, definitely try get that on. But fortunately, look like they are holding this area C. So what I could have done better if they give us a no S area, so I'll come back up there, and I will consider this test is very good for me to buy back up. That's what I was my thoughts or thinking at the moment, because I love the risk reward, and get back up here will be great. And eventually, if they broke out, even better from there. For fortunately is that in the present time I was focusing on this more, and I was just like, great, of that that's what they gave me. Then because also is the buyer still here, and what was this move, and then eventually can this one give us more, like, let's see, yeah, looking for better price at least around here of the S, and then take it back up from here, because the whole move of weekly and daily is going to the upside. And if the S broke out from here, so S, yeah, and then weekly, yeah, that would be the best of me, like get better price, and what I would do better from here and hold it back up until I could see the market is actually go back on, and then I will consider go back to small time frame. Um, Unfortunately, I don't see anything is on. I see anticipation. That what I see anticipation, that will be great to hold it from not to hold, like, yeah, take it from here. No, take it from here to here. Uh, yeah, for now, definitely that is my PA.